Maya Olson, a side pin. Paige Wagner is also out there for Tech, playing in the middle, and the Huskies get a point. They go over a double block, but the Huskies bail it out from behind, and there's a big block on the right side. Marissa Lutens. And an ace serve by Lutens. Parkside sets it up on their left side. What a play by Fletterjohn, doing a somersault to dig that one out. And the ball goes out of bounds. Is Rachel Mueller. And the Huskies with a big kill. Just got blocked. She gets it right back. Sends it over. And the battle at the net won by Parkside. Maya Olson will serve. Gets it to the back row. Here's the set. Trisha Kennedy had to set that one. Setter for Parkside. Paige Wagner, Madeline Torla, that time made no mistake. Gets it over. Here's the set, and just over the net. They get to it, and they get it over. Huskies with it on their side, and putting it away was Rachel Zurich from the left post. Left side, Irvin got it over. Dug out by Tech. Here goes Zurich, and she kills it. Rachel Zurich pulls the trigger from the left side on set point, and the Huskies win the first one, 25-23. She gets it over to Corwin. Huskies set it up to the back row, and Yancey comes up with a kill. Parkside up to Irvin, got blocked by Kennedy, comes right back, and now the Huskies set it on the left side for Zurich, and Rachel Zurich with a kill. This is a good, here's an overpass now, comes over on the Tech side, and they cannot finish the play by Parkside. We're tied at 3. The serve to Yancey. Oh, Tess Hayes with a clever dump set. He's won the first set. There's the serve to Fletterjohn. Over on the right side, Madeline Torla. Her serve goes to their libero. They set it on the right side on the slide play, and the Huskies saw it coming. The point, but they still have the lead, 13-10. Here's the serve to Yancey. Hayes setting Trisha Kennedy, and she got blocked. See, gets it over. Parkside with a terrific shot. Good. Kuhn got the credit for that kill. 1 point set. Oh, right in on the back line. Punched across. Good play at the net by both teams. Now Parkside hits it, and it's in. Left-handed serve by Parkside. Wagner! Irvin serve to Yancey. And just over number 2. 25-24. It's a good serve. Oh, putting it away for the win, Trisha Kennedy. And the Huskies win it 26-24. Serve again with a 1-0 lead this time. She went to the same area, and it's an ace. Catch them sleeping, but Parkside saw it coming. And now Yancey gets blocked at the net. And point, Michigan Tech. By Torla goes over. Now Fletterjohn with it. Here's the set. Torla again for the kill. Tech with the lead, and Yancey with the attack. Taken by Harris. Over to Irvin, and off the Husky block out of bounds. 16-14. Natalie Harris serves again. Short little float serve. On the left side, the Huskies, Rachel Zurich for Yancey, and Parkside will dig it out. From the right side, off the block, and a point for the Parkside Rangers. To Natalie Harris, and blocked by Tech at the net on an attempt by Fish. They just put it in bounds. Back row for Tech. They put it up for Paige Wagner over the double block. Parkside comes up with it. They'll set it up. Dug out by the back row. Yancey blocked by a Tech. Point goes to Parkside though. They win the set 27-25. And she knocks it to the back row. From the middle, they get it over for the kill. Point here. It goes off Kennedy. And now back row, Yancey for the kill. Tied at 2-2. Tess Hayes will serve. There's an ace right in front. Oh boy, that almost worked. Parkside keeps it alive. Hayes this time left side, and a kill delivered by Jacqueline Yancey. And Irvin gets it back across. Hayes setting left side. And what a nice block by Parkside Rangers. They were both basketball players. Here's the set, and they're going to call it out. In the middle, and Trisha Kennedy had the ball dug out. Kreider setting again. Torla gets it over for the kill. Nelson's serve. Parkside on the third hit. They will be blocked. And a point for Tech. Huskies lead by 1, 20-19. The serve from the left side of the service line. And the Huskies get the point. Jacqueline gets it over cleanly. Here's the set by Parkside to the right pin. Over and good. The set by Kreider and over by Paige Wagner. And that one is hit out of bounds. But it looks like we're ready to go. Here's Irvin's serve. Match point. Into the net. Dug out by Kreider. Over and out. The point is awarded to Michigan Tech. They will win it 25-22.